know that surveillance cameras result in a 50% reduction in crime? Here are 3 safety tools everyone should have at home. Number 1, a doorbell camera. They're super affordable and let you see and communicate with whoever's at your door without you having to physically be near them. Number 2, a self-defense weapon like pepper spray or taser. In the event of a break-in, you want to be able to defend yourself, especially if the bad guy is armed, but make sure to be familiar with your state or country's laws. Number 3, having some sort of self-defense tool on you at all times can be very helpful in a home emergency. So an Invisaware necklace or bracelet that can send your location to friends and police is number 3 on my list.